I didn't end up backtracking. Now I'm limping pretty bad because I think one of the blisters in my foot just burst. This is my next stop here, this rundown cathedral or whatever. Oh, actually no. Oh, that hurts. Yeah. Appears as though no one really goes to church anymore around here. I'm not planning on entering. Now I'm really hurting. So one of my blisters on my foot got all bloody, but now the other on a different toe, I think it burst or something. So I visited 2 out of the 5 places I've been planning to visit today. Yeah, this was nothing special. This cathedral, which I showed on Google Maps, it'd be a cool place to check out, but it's nothing. All right, onwards to the next place.